first of all, big congratulations to yourself, also to the Good City Foundation team for launching another very successful event, even in difficult conditions. I first met Andre and his team when I first joined the summit last year. I'm deeply impressed by their work, and I firmly believe that we share the same values in trying to make the world a better place. These forward-thinking and passionate young fellows are doing a great job year by year, connecting a broad network of public and private organizations and leaders to discuss crucial topics which are deeply related to our world and future generations. In recent years, due to COVID, the world has changed dramatically. Yet with innovative minds and support from technology, the world has evolved into a new era. Planeet Renaissance, future lock in not lockdown, is the main theme for this year. Just like many other sectors, I strongly believe that technology is the key in future urban planning and development. Therefore, I am happy that the summit is gathering the best from urban development, real estate, and urban technologies. I expect that the summit will bring some positive change in the near future. As the strategic sponsor of the event, Tsangs Group is an innovation-focused global family office that bridges East and West. Our mission is to invest in global opportunities that allow us to exert positive influence and drive positive impact in Hong Kong, Asia, and beyond. We believe that disruptive innovation can come from anywhere, and that is why we seek out entrepreneurs, technologies, and change makers, such as the Good City Foundation team. The goal of Tsangs Group is to sit at the forefront of the trends that will drive humanity forward in the decades and centuries to come. From fintech to entertainment to space travel, Tsangs Group is always investigating, analyzing, and supporting the cutting edge of global innovation and development. I sincerely hope you will all enjoy the upcoming sessions. I thank you once again to Andre, his team, and all the supporting organizations such as the World Economic Forum, the ASEAN Smart Cities Network, and of course, Invest HK for making this summit happen. Thank you for your participation. Enjoy. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.